First I'm going to perform the trick, then I explain how to do it. I have a red handkerchief. I put the handkerchief inside my fist and the handkerchief changes into an egg. This is not a real egg. And the handkerchief goes inside the egg. You must have the egg hidden in your hand. Like we are going to put the handkerchief inside the fist. But the truth, we're going to put exactly inside the egg. Several magic moves, you show the egg. What happens if people say, okay, I want to check the egg? You just snap your fingers, and when you snap your fingers, you do like this, and you show this is a real